I don't know about y'all, but I've been waiting and praying for this moment all my life. And God has answered my prayers. Let it rain. Let it rain. Come on. 39, 24, 26. That's how I like my girls. A nice tan, long legs, great lips from all around the world. See, it don't matter if you ain't got a car, as long as you're beautiful. Money don't mean a thing to me, 'cause women, they rule my world. Now let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. It's gonna rain. It's raining women. Oh, women. It's raining women. Oh, yeah. And I'm going outside to get soaking wet. It's raining women. Yeah.